In this episode, we're looking at the best dishwasher on the market for every price range. Dishwashers are a kitchen appliance that is used to clean dirty dishes. Dishwashers have become a must-have appliance in the house. This is because they come handy in your dishwashing house chores. We have reviewed a few of the best dishwashers that can fit your budget and has the standard features that an ideal dishwasher would have. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance, price, or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. At number 1, SPT Countertop Dishwasher. This dishwasher has a beautiful white design, which makes it blend perfectly with other machines in your kitchen or apartment and will not look out of place. It offers full-size power and consumes less energy. It also possesses a cavity that has enough space to load up 6 standard place settings. Similarly, it has a 6-wash cycle feature that washes your dishes in a range of settings and pace as you desire. The washer also comes with the faucet adapter and has as automatic soap and rinse agent dispenser, but it makes a humming sound that you might find disturbing. At number 2, SPT SD2224 DS Compact Counter Dishwasher. Washing your dishes just got more comfortable with this EdgeStar Compact Dishwasher. It boasts of an inferior fabricated with stainless steel and a 6-place settings racked silverware basket. This dishwasher has a portable size that makes it well fitted to the cabinet in your apartment office and your home kitchen. The manufacturer added a delayed start to make it even more convenient to operate the machine. You have the option to choose from the various wash cycles available. It has a LED display to keep track of your commands and is easy to install and operate. On the downside, it has only 1-year warranty. At number 3, SPT SD2225 DW Compact Countertop. Save yourself the stress of washing your dishes by hand. Choose a wash cycle for your dishes: heavy, glass, speed, eco, normal, and rinse after washing. The machine further helps you dry the washed dishes correctly. This machine is one you can easily connect to most kitchen faucet because it has a universal faucet adapter. The machine comes with a drain hose, inlet hose, and user manual. It also operates silently, which means there is no noise during use. However, the bottom grate is too broad to accommodate large knives, spoon, etc. What can you say about our first 3 products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when upload a new video. Now let's continue. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you are new to the channel and you liked it, consider subscribing. We also do all kinds of videos like this over a number of products, all aimed to provide the best products and making purchasing decisions easier. Be sure to check out the descriptions for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.